Hi everyone, it's Denise from Denise Rich's Art and Design. Project 2 is this pinecone tree I picked up at Goodwill for about $11, and also this tin planter that I have been waiting to paint until I could find a Christmas tree to put in it. First, I'm going to remove all the stuff on it that I don't want to keep. And from this angle, you can actually see how gold the tree really is. It was spray painted mostly gold, not quite to my taste. Now I'm going to be using snow white chalk paint to brush on the edges of the pine cone and try to cover up most of the gold if possible. For the planter, I'm using Waverly chalk paint in the color Sandstone, and I'm going to be painting all of it except the top rim. The top rim is rusty, but I like the way it looks, so I'm just carefully going around the edge of it, trying not to get any paint on it, but if I do, it should wipe off with a little water. Now I'm going to wet distress some of the raised detail just to highlight it. Now I am wiring on some battery-operated Christmas lights. And then I'm going to cover both poles that are showing with burlap. It also hides the cord for the lights. Here's the pinecone Christmas tree on my front porch. It looks awesome. A very good purchase on my part, if I do say so. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.